Hello, it's Ted Corless with the Corless Barfield Trial Group. I spend most of my time fighting insurance companies over sinkhole claims. One of the most common defenses that we hear is the lack of structural damage to a home caused by sinkhole activity. In May of 2011, the state legislature was attempting to address the quote-unquote rash of claims for sinkhole claims that were happening throughout the state of Florida. And they created a list of different ways that you could get coverage for sinkhole activity, but it's very narrow. And what it turns on is whether or not you meet the state's definition of structural damage. And what I mean by that is, if you have a home that's being affected by sinkhole activity, that's not enough. Under these laws, you must also have damage that meets a certain threshold. Now, this can get pretty ridiculous, because we've handled claims where houses were literally teeter-tottering over holes, and the insurance company took the position there was no structural damage. We've even had houses that were condemned because of the damage, but the insurance company took the position there's no structural damage. Here's what you need to understand. First of all, you don't have to accept their interpretation of these individual requirements in the law. You have the ability to find your own counsel through your own engineer or lawyer to challenge whether or not you meet that threshold. Second of all, most of the insurance companies are so confused over what structural damage is, they don't even use the same definition for structural damage on their own claims. It very much depends on what engineering firm they hire, which makes this point. If you are currently involved in a sinkhole claim and you've even heard the words structural damage, you need to go to our website. There are about 25 different ways the insurance company is using that language to either deny or limit your access to insurance coverage, and that's why we get involved. Again, my name is Ted Corless, and I spend my time fighting insurance companies. If you want more information about how we can help you, go to our website at www.corlessbarfield.com or give us a call. Be well.